Have you ever picked up a phone call, heard a sweet, polite voice saying, "Madam, I'm calling from your insurance company. You're getting a special benefit because you are a senior." And for a moment, you actually felt happy and safe? This is where millions of seniors are getting trapped today. People think they are talking to real insurance agents, but behind those calls, messages, and WhatsApp texts, many times there is a scammer ready to steal their hard-earned money and lifetime savings. In today's video on Senior Advisor, I'm going to open everything for you step by step. How these fake insurance agents work, how they talk, what tricks they use, how they emotionally manipulate seniors, and most importantly, how you and your parents can protect yourselves. So stay with me till the end, because one small mistake can cost you not hundreds, but thousands of dollars, and sometimes your entire savings. Before we go deep into the scams, I want to make a small request. If you care about your parents, your grandparents, or any senior in your family, then please subscribe to Senior Advisor right now and turn on the bell icon. We regularly share videos to protect seniors from frauds, scams, and bad financial decisions. Just imagine, if this one video can save even one senior from losing their money, it's worth it, right? So hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it in your family WhatsApp groups so more people get aware and stay safe. Now let's start with a simple truth. Most of these fake insurance agents are not uneducated people. They are smart, well-trained scammers. They know exactly how to talk, how to build trust, and how to press your emotional buttons. They use professional language, they talk politely, they may even know your name, your city, and sometimes your partial ID or policy number. So immediately seniors feel, yes, this looks genuine. They know my details. It must be from the company. But many times these details are leaked or purchased from data brokers. Just because someone knows your information does not mean they are authentic. The first common trick they use is urgent benefit. They will say something like, "Sir, because of your age and loyalty, you are getting a bonus benefit on your insurance. But company policy says you must verify it today, otherwise this benefit will be canceled." Notice the pressure word, today. They don't want you to think, to ask your children, or to call the official company number. They want quick decisions. They might say, "Your file is already in the closing stage. I just need your confirmation and a small verification payment to activate this bonus." The word bonus or special benefit sounds attractive, especially to seniors who are trying to save money. The second trick is fear. Fake agents know that many seniors are afraid of losing existing benefits. So they will say things like, "Government rules have changed. If you don't update your policy, your existing insurance may get suspended, or your medical coverage will stop if you don't complete this verification." They create panic. When a senior hears your medical coverage can stop, they immediately feel scared. Health is already a big concern, so they rush to cooperate. Scammers use this fear to ask for OTPs, card numbers, or direct online transfers. The third trick is emotional bonding. Many fake agents talk very sweetly. "Uncle, you don't worry. I'm here to help you. I treat you like my own father." Or, "Auntie, I understand your situation. That's why I'm going out of my way to help you." They make the senior feel that this is a caring, trustworthy person. They might even ask about your health, your family, your children. The more you talk, the more information they collect. And when you feel emotionally connected, you are more likely to follow whatever they say. Now, why are seniors such an easy target? Number one, trust. Many seniors come from a time when a person's word meant something. If someone said, "I'm from the bank," you believed them. Today, scammers abuse this old-school trust. Number two, technology gap. Online banking, OTP, email links, smartphone apps. For many seniors, these things are confusing. They feel shy to ask their kids again and again, so they often rely on the agent on the phone. Number three, loneliness. Some seniors live alone or feel lonely during the day when family is busy. A polite voice calling and talking nicely gives them comfort, and they open up more. Fake insurance agents know this very well. They don't start with asking for money immediately. First, they build the story. They might say, "We are updating your policy to give you higher coverage," or "We want to ensure your retirement is safe," or We're giving a special senior citizen plan where you pay a small amount and get big benefits. They use buzzwords like government approved, RBI guidelines, IRTA rules, central scheme to sound more official. Most people don't actually know what those rules are, so they just nod and agree. Let's walk through a typical scam step by step so you can recognize it if it happens to you or your parents. Step 1. The first call. The scammer introduces themselves with a fake name and a fake designation. Hello, sir. My name is Rohan. I'm a senior advisor from XYZ Insurance Compliance Department. Notice they might even use the word senior advisor because it sounds professional and similar to our channel name. This is just a coincidence of wording, but you can see how they try to impress. They speak fast, confidently, and sound very official. They may quote a fake employee ID number to look more formal. Step 2. Information confirmation. They say, I just need to confirm your details for security. Then they read out your name, your date of birth, maybe part of your address. Seniors think, oh, they already know my details, so they're real. But remember, scammers buy leaked data from many sources. Never trust just because they know your details. In fact, this is the red flag. A genuine company never asks for full confidential details on a random incoming call. Step 3. The offer. Once you are relaxed, they present the special deal. For example, because of your age group, the company is giving you a free upgrade to your insurance. Your coverage will double, but your premium will remain the same. Sounds amazing, right? Then they say, to activate this, you must pay a one-time processing fee, very small compared to your benefit. This is how it starts. If you pay once, they know you are easy to manipulate, and then the demands can grow. Step 4. Payment pressure. They will say, sir, this is a recorded line. This offer is valid only today. Or, my system is showing your file is expiring in 30 minutes. They may even say, if you disconnect this call, the benefit will be automatically canceled and we cannot do anything later. This is meant to stop you from checking with your family or calling the official number of the insurance company. They want fast decisions, fast payments. Step 5. Collecting sensitive information. They may ask you to share your card details, CVV, expiry date, or they say, I am sending you an OTP. Please share it to complete the process. Remember one simple rule. No genuine bank, no genuine insurance company, no genuine government office will ever ask you for your OTP or full card details on a call or WhatsApp. If someone asks, it is 99.9% a scam. Step 6. The disaster. Once they have your card details or OTP, they quickly make online transactions, sometimes multiple ones. Many seniors don't check their messages or bank apps immediately, so by the time they realize something is wrong, the money is already gone. When the senior tries to call back, the number is switched off, or they get blocked. Then begins the stress, the guilt, the fear of telling family, and the long process of complaining to the bank and authorities. Now the big question is, how can you protect yourself and your loved ones from these fake insurance agents? Let's break it down into very simple rules that any senior can remember. Rule number 1. If someone calls you about insurance, you don't have to believe them. You are allowed to say, thank you for calling. I will call the company myself on the official number. Then disconnect. Never continue a long conversation with an unknown caller about money or policies. Rule number 2. Never share OTP over the phone. I want you to repeat this in your mind. OTP means only to person, me. It's just a fun way to remember. OTP is only for you, not for any agent, banker, or official. If someone is asking for OTP, you simply say no and hang up. Even if they threaten you with policy cancellation, ignore it. A real company will send written notices and give you time, not just one scary call. Rule number 3. Use the official numbers. If you already have an insurance policy, save the official customer care number from the company website, not from a random SMS. Whenever you get a suspicious call, tell them you will call back on the official number and verify. If they are real, they will happily agree. If they argue or insist on staying on the call, that's a huge red flag. Rule number 4. Involve your family. If you are a senior watching this, please don't feel shy or scared to share these calls with your children or a trusted relative. You are not weak for asking help. You are smart for double-checking. And if you are a son, daughter, or grandchild watching this, make it a habit to ask your parents. Did anyone call you about insurance or bank this week? Keep communication open. Rule number 5. Don't sign anything under pressure. Many fake agents also come physically, especially in some areas. They might show fake ID cards and ask you to sign forms. You must remember, never sign any paper you don't fully understand. Take a picture of the document, show it to your family or a trusted advisor, and only then decide. There is no today-only rule in genuine insurance. Good products do not expire in 10 minutes. If you're finding this video helpful till now, please pause for a second, give it a like, and write in the comments, "I will never share my OTP." This one sentence in the comments will fix this rule in your mind, and your comment will also help this video reach more people. And of course, don't forget to share this video with at least one senior you care about. That one share can literally save someone's life savings. Now let's talk about another dangerous pattern: fake policy upgrades and fake cancellations. Sometimes scammers call and say, "We are closing your old policy and transferring you to a better one." They use technical words like surrender value, maturity, top-up plan, conversion plan. They will say, "If you don't convert now, you will lose your bonus." In reality, they are just convincing you to pay into a new fake policy or transfer money to their account. Some scams are even more clever. They will ask you to cancel your genuine policy and take the money, and then reinvest that money into a so-called better policy that they are selling. But that better policy is fake. So not only do you lose your savings, but you also lose your real insurance coverage. Years of premiums gone in one wrong step. Always remember, any change in your policy should be done only through the official branch, official website, or verified customer care. Another trick is using fake WhatsApp messages and fake websites. You may get a message saying, "Click this link to update your KYC or your insurance will be blocked." When you click the link, it looks like a real company website with logo, colors, everything. But it can be a fake site designed to steal your details. So rule, never click on links from unknown SMS or WhatsApp. Instead, go directly to the company's official website by typing it yourself in the browser or using their official app. Now, maybe you're thinking, "I am careful, but what if my parents are not?" Here is something practical you can do. Sit with them for 15 to 20 minutes and explain these simple points in their language. Save important numbers in their phone with clear names like "Real Insurance Company, call only this." Set up SMS alerts so you also get messages when large transactions happen. If possible, keep a separate bank account with limited balance for online transactions instead of using the main savings account. If, unfortunately, someone in your family becomes a victim of such a scam, don't waste time in shame or blaming. It can happen to anyone. Immediately do these things. First, call the bank and block the card or account. Second, report the transaction as fraud. Third, file a complaint with the relevant cybercrime helpline or consumer protection authority in your country. Acting quickly sometimes helps in stopping further damage. On this channel, Senior Advisor, our goal is very clear. We want every senior to feel confident, informed, and protected. Insurance itself is not bad. In fact, good insurance can be a lifesaver. The real problem is not insurance. The real problem is fake people pretending to be agents. So instead of getting scared of all insurance, get smarter about how you deal with it. That's why videos like this are important. I want to share a small imaginary story that represents thousands of real stories. Imagine Mr. Ahmed, 68 years old, retired, living with his wife. One afternoon he gets a call. "Sir, I'm from your insurance company. You've been selected for a senior citizen bonus." The agent speaks softly, respectfully, and even knows his date of birth. Mr. Ahmed feels special and listens. After 10 minutes of discussion about benefits, the agent says, "Sir, just share the OTP to complete the bonus activation." Mr. Ahmed thinks, what harm can it do? He shares the OTP. Within minutes, $500, then $800, then $300 disappear from his account. By the evening, he realizes something is wrong. He feels ashamed and doesn't tell his children for 2 days. This silence makes things worse because the scammers use his card again. This is what we want to stop. We want every Mr. Ahmed, every auntie, every uncle to recognize the red flags before it is too late. If you have ever received such a call, or if someone in your family has faced a similar issue, please share your experience in the comments. You don't need to write your full name or any private detail. Just sharing the type of scam and how it happened can help others recognize the pattern. Your story can be a warning for someone else. Let's quickly summarize the key safety points in simple lines so you can remember them clearly. Never trust an unknown caller just because they say they're from an insurance company. Never share OTP, CVV, full card number, or online banking password with anyone, even if they claim to be an officer. Always verify using official customer care numbers from the company website. Never rush under pressure of today-only offers. Talk to your family before making any big financial decision. And if something feels off, it's better to disconnect and double-check. If you are still with me till this point, thank you so much for watching with patience. This shows that you really care about your financial safety and your family's security. As your senior advisor, my promise is that I will keep bringing such awareness videos for you, but I need your support. If you found value in this, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and share this video with your parents, relatives, and friends. Leave a comment with the words, "Stay safe from fake agents," so I know you are part of this protection movement. Remember, scammers are getting smarter every day, but you can be smarter than them with the right information. Your money is the result of your whole life's hard work. Don't let a 5-minute fake phone call take it away. Protect yourself, educate your loved ones, and whenever you feel confused about financial calls or offers, come back to our channel, Senior Advisor, for guidance. Thank you for watching, stay alert, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.